Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to check Amazon affiliate balance. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to Amazon.com. Once you're in Amazon, select any product. Once you have now selected the product, scroll down. Then in here, select Get Link, then tap on Text. In here, copy the short link. Once done, open affiliate-program.amazon.com. Then in here, you can see your affiliate balance and your total earnings summary. Once done, head on over to Amazon.com once again. Tap on the gear icon this time, then select Settings, and then go to Stripe Options. Then refresh the page. Once done, head on over to Amazon Affiliates once again, then tap on your email. Once you're here, click on Account Settings. Then in here, select Associate Site Stripe Options. On Display Status, make sure it says Enabled. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.